Ooh, flat tire in the middle of nowhere. I don't have a key to remove my wheel. I don't have any tire levers. I don't have additional inner tube. I don't have the patches, but I do have a pump. Or maybe you can meet someone who will just lend you a bicycle pump. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to put the grass inside the tire and move on. No, you can fix it without even removing the wheel. Step one, important one. The pedal on your left side, the non-drive side, goes up to the 12 o'clock. With the crank arm set like this, you wanna lay the bike down on some soft surface, not rocks, and it's important not just because we don't want to have any scratch, I don't want to have, but we will be using some force on the bike, so this is your working area right now. It's safe. Step number 2. Yes, we've got a flat tire, but most likely there is still some pressure inside the inner tube. This is why we want to let the air out. We do it like this. I'm gonna close the valve again. Now the third and the fourth step. First, we are pushing on the tire bead and then we'll be pulling on it. Big mistake is to start like opposite to your valve. We're gonna start just next to the valve, working on the bead. The tire bead is pushed in the middle of the rim and I can feel my tire getting loose. If you have some soft grass around, you can now put the bike upside down. The valve. Now I'm pulling on the bead of the tire, and once I can fit my fingers in between the tire and the rim, I put them so that the tire won't go back. If the tire is really stiff, you can again try to push the bead of the tire just around the rim and pull right here. Okay. Beautiful. Step number 5, do not remove the inner tube from the tire just yet. First, pump it. Why do we pump first? I want to find the hole in the inner tube. All right, you can hear the hissing. Now you have found the hole. Let the air back out. The 6th step explains why didn't we remove the inner tube before pumping. It's because when you have found the hole in the inner tube, you absolutely must check the tire right where it was, from the inside and from the outside. Because if you have one of these thorns in your tire, it's right there. You will now fix the inner tube and get another flat tire within minutes. The last step is actually fixing your inner tube. Let's remove the inner tube. Now I'll remove my gloves. Let's say here's the hole. Now I will tie the inner tube here, making a knot. I've checked whether it's working. It does work. Now the inner tube goes in. First, the valve. We've got a shorter inner tube right now, so if someone can help you, that's great. If you have a zip ties, you can help yourself with those, but it's doable just by yourself. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my knees. That's a little stiff. I'm gonna push the bead into the rim. It's time to pump. You need to resist the urge to pump it even more so that the knot is really stiff and tight. I don't want to blow the inner tubes, so I'm gonna put less air. I've got just around 1 bar, less than that, maybe 0.8, I would say, bar. Don't worry about your tire bead not being totally even in the rim because of two reasons. One, you have less tire pressure, so the pressure might not put the bead into its place in the rim. And number two, you've got a knot inside, so the knot in the tire might also resist and not let the tire fully install. But this is totally rideable. Beautiful, beautiful. The mountains. I hope that if you're also far away from home, this guide has helped you actually get there. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to deal with a snapped derailleur cable on site. See ya. Let's go.
Uwaga, prawa. No, dobrze, dobrze, dobrze. Jedziesz, kolego, jedziesz. Uwaga, jadą. Dzięki, dzięki. Uważaj. No tu uważaj. No daj. I lewa, i lewa. Dzięks. Tutaj nie ma jak wyprzedzać, tak żeby kogoś nie zwolnić, więc to jest kwestia dobrej woli w zasadzie, tylko kultury. Hey yo!